That's what those are for. I'll give us that.
Alrighty. You guys ready?
Ready.
Yep.
We're gonna go to the beach in the car.
Oh man, got right in my face.
Say hi. Look.
Oh, excuse me. That's a.
We're inside of this little car.
Yeah, they like fast. They like fast. Oh, those are boats too that you can buy. Are you rent those boats?
Just the steamboat and the big wooden one we passed.
Oh, okay. That's a ferry?
Yeah. Oh, that's a Fulton's Crab House. It's like they revamped it. It used to be a seafood restaurant.
Yeah. Why?
Alright, Caleb, you're good. Make sure you're going to give it plenty of gas, okay?
We're going, Bubba. We're getting out of the water. Relax. We're back. We're back, Dum Dum. We're back. Now you're happy? Now you're happy. We're spinning. That's the car we were in.